What up, YouTube? How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. Got the Typhon out here. Oh, I didn't even show y'all. Got the Typhon out. Doing a speed run, trying to slip it in here. Got a ass load of traffic on the road today. It is pretty clear right now though. Made a gear change. We're gonna see what that does for us. All right, whipping it around. Quarter trigger, half, 3/4, full trigger. Man, that was fast. Got some cars coming. That was pretty quick. That was definitely faster than before. Made a pinion change from the last time out. Yeah, we'll see what that did. That was definitely faster. Movement, stop, read. 85, okay. Okay, 85 mile an hour. How you doing? How you doing? Sweet. Hell yeah. So, yeah, I've changed the pinion. Went from, well, the last time out I had the stock high-speed 20-tooth pinion in there. See if y'all see this. That's a stock Basher 16-tooth, stock high-speed 20-tooth. I put a 25. That was the biggest gear I could fit in there, biggest pinion gear I can fit with the stock spur gear. And I've got a 26, a 27, and a 28. Man, look at my hands shaking. That speed run got me going, boy. Hell yeah. Let's clear that out and try and do it again. Track, start, stop, read, zero it out again. Track, start. Let's see the movement. Whew. Boy, that was fast. That was fast. 85, 76, 9 mile an hour. Gained 9 mile an hour there. Yeah, let's go while it's clear. Oh, don't run it off the road. Alright, whipping it around. Quarter. Half. Full trigger. I held full trigger solid 2-3 seconds. Gotta be easy not to run it off in the grass. I don't have any reverse programmed in this ESC anymore. I feel like that might have got, oh, I'm hoping for 90, shit. Now that battery was warmed up. Uh-huh. I'm hoping to see 90. Come on, 90. Reading, stop, read. 85 again. All right. Sweet, we'll take that. We will take that. Hell yeah, buddy. Right on, right on. All right. Hell yeah. So, yeah, I need to get smaller spur gear ordered. You know, a couple of them. Stock spur gear is a 50 tooth. So I need to order me a couple 40 somethings. Maybe a mid 40 and a low 40. So hell yeah. All right, y'all. Cool. I'm happy as hell with that. Appreciate y'all checking this out. Typhon Speedrun. hit that like button, man. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe, man. It don't cost you nothing to subscribe. We out here doing all kinds of different things. RC anything, baby. All right, y'all, till next time, peace out.